Who was driving this bike when you came up? Popping wheelie shit? You're gonna get hurt or get killed.
Nah, ain't no Wheelie for me.
Writing citations and impounding bikes for reckless driving. I'm gonna have to. A street sergeant who is working the streets is sitting right here. That's why whoever was on that red bike continued to drive.
Come on. You're on YouTube. Say hello. S1K. Boy, man. Dog.
He was driving, I'm saying.
Okay, who was driving this bike when you came up? Listen, I'm not giving you a ticket, but there's a conversation.
It was like I was driving.
Alright, listen, I'm not even gonna ask for driver's license. But popping wheelie shit.
You don't like
We can't do that, guys. I get it, it's fun, but you're gonna get hurt or get killed, and I don't want that to happen.
Have you ever popped a Wheelie?
Have I? Yeah, not on the streets. I get it, it's fun. Like I'm not denying that.
Yeah.
But
Nah, ain't no Wheelie for me.
people don't pay attention.
Yeah.
We've had several motorcycle accidents this year, and most of the time it's the motorcycle driver's fault because they're reckless driving, speeding, things like that. I get it. You just don't even go that fast, but when you're popping wheelies, somebody's gonna get hurt.
That's
So,
understandable.
I don't want to have to become the asshole who starts writing citations and impounding bikes for reckless driving. But if it gets too far and keeps going, I'm gonna have to.
I agree.
Yeah, last thing. I chill up here. I'm up here pretty much once or twice a month. That's my big thing. So if you were popping a wheelie, don't. Please.
I don't know how.
All right.
Now I'm gonna lie to you.
So that's all it is.
Yeah, I got you.
All right.
Appreciate the fucking leniency.
Listen, man, I'm working for QuikTrip right now. I'm not on the street, and I would much rather have a conversation and say, "Hey guys," rather than have to be an asshole.
Yeah, definitely.
That's the big thing. I don't want to have to be that guy. But if I get backed into a position where I need to do it,
yeah, definitely.
then I will. And whoever did it, was it you?
Bro, what is this?
I went to
I
the
got you though.
Whoever did it while a street sergeant who is working the streets is sitting right here. That's why whoever was on that red bike continued to drive. We're not stupid.
That's a sergeant.
Yeah. Yeah, that's sergeant.
What was it, a Grom?
He's working midnight, so he's working Central District all night.
It's okay.
Was it a Grom that kept going?
It was a ground pop.
No, it was a big bike.
That was a big bike.
I don't know. I know what bike it is. I'm gonna go address that here in a minute. but I saw the two colors that I needed to look for. This was one of them, and that one's the other one.
That blue's sick though.
Oh,
Everything
is.
better than blue, right?
Come on.
Car pulled out front and back in fucking October.
Yeah, our car just put out in front of Jeff on the interstate. Nothing private. Wrapped him out.
I got a picture of it.
You can fit right here, bro.
I'm trying to get beside the 1K. Yeah, let me.
Just so you can move. No, your bike.
Oh, okay. I got it. Yeah.
I just seen that on Facebook. Yeah. What the fuck?
It's crazy, but
Yeah. That's why you gotta have
This motherfucker's sick. I like it. You got anything done to it?
I got Brentoon stage 1.
Brentoon?
I got full exhaust. Got the air filter. Little shit like that. Got the mirrors. Just a.
Yeah, I want to get these type of mirrors. I don't like these big bogies, and I keep fucking. This shit's in the way. Keep bumping into the dumb
Well, like
shit.
mine, the stock ones have the turn signals on them, and I didn't like that. So I got both turn signals now.
Damn, you had to change the bolts for that?
No, I don't remember, but it goes into a regular bolt hole.
That's dope.
Yeah.
I gotta try some shit like that. And these just turn?
Yeah, they turn. I don't like turning them too much because then I gotta fucking sit there. And
Yeah, to adjust them and shit.
Yeah, they're the Rizoma ones. They turn into the wings and everything.
These fuckers are nice, bro. The digital dash is crazy.
Dude, the shit you can do in this dash is insane. It's like, go to my vehicle, shows the bike, all that shit. Your trip, it shows your journey, your brake, your fucking average speed, average consumption.
the conversation.
That's crazy. These
It has
fuckers
tire
are
pressure sensors.
dope.
Yeah.
A gas gauge too, yeah, they're going crazy.
Oh, it tells you like how many miles till empty, how much is in the tank.
This is what I'd be wondering is where people install these. You just zip time on?
Yeah, I just got that camera and I was trying to figure it out. I got the 360 one, whatever the fuck it's called. Yeah, I just zip tied that bitch on there. Another guy, he has like a sticky, like a GoPro mount.
Yeah.
That sticks. He stuck it right there and has it pointing down. I might try that too. And then I got the TST lights on the back with the TST plate.
Oh yeah, because it usually comes with the little loop type light.
Yeah, that's the normal aftermarket one. The stock one, the tail lights are on the fender. Yeah, so like your little turn signals that come off the fender, that's your brake lights too.
Oh yeah, that's stupid.
So when you take that off, you lose your brake light.
Yeah,
It's got like 4 different dashes too. So it'll tell you your lean angle, your traction control, your braking, and then that one has a lap timer. And then this one, just different design.
Bro, I gotta get one of these.
There's an app you can connect to your phone for it.
Damn, that bitch is sick. Where y'all about to go? Where y'all about to go?
Oh, I'm going home.
Damn,
I've been out all day.
this bitch sounds tough. Shit, you got Snap?
Huh?
You got Snap?
I don't use it much. I don't do. I'm on
Perfect picture right now.
Sport Bike Riders of Iowa and Central Iowa Sport Bike Riders.
I'm on there.
Yeah, I'm on that shit. I go on their group rides on Sundays.
Group rides, they do group rides every Sunday?
Yeah, Central Iowa Sport Bike Riders.
I gotta look into that.
We go out of town though. We like go out on like the back highways.
Oh yeah, I definitely gotta look into that.
Every
That's dope.
Sunday, you said?
Yeah, just about every Sunday.
You said it's Central Iowa?
Yeah.
What's the group called?
Central Iowa Sport Bike Ride.
Central Iowa Sport Bike.
Something like that, Central Iowa.
Definitely, bro.
We don't do no fucking like hooligan shit, but we go out on the back roads and we'll be doing, you know, like 120 around the front.
Hey, I'm a fucking
Damn.
got some get up on.
I gotta get one of those, bro.
Yeah.
His ass got moved. He said, fuck that.
They not starting.
He's tripping. That's funny.
He think be on
I keep walking into this and breaking it like a dumbass. I super glued it on, but I'm finna delete those. I'm finna order the fucking deletes.
Oh, for this?
Yeah, it's just stupid,
I'm
bro.
gonna do the same for mine though, because I don't like the one sticking up the top.
I always fucking walk into them and just smack them off.
You don't give a... You want these?
No, bro, I be watching out something like that, or just the completely gone.
Yeah. Have them up here or some shit.
That's a 900. That bitch clean.
That one's cool.
Which one?
The black one next to that.
That's a 900.
This is a 900, right, bro?
Yeah, that cop called him in.
Oh, it's a 660.
Oh, that's a different bike. You got another bike, huh? That's the same bike you been on?
Yeah. That he be dogging the fuck out of
It
him.
looks different.
I don't be dogging it.
That's tough. And he got the boards on there. Same rims as me.